QIJIAN 3 WQS Water Quality Analysis Master is a smart sensor with Wi-Fi remote function. 6 water quality data are simultaneously monitored online through 5 sensor electrodes, namely temperature, pH, ORP, DO, EC, and salt. Salinity is calculated based on conductivity data. The historical records of these sensors can be queried on the Kamoer Remote app. When the sensor values are abnormal, the app can receive an exception alert push. This is the main unit of QIJIAN 3 WQS. Here is the calibration fluid. Here are the electrodes. Each electrode is equipped with a 3-meter-long wire, which is enough for everyone to use. This is the connector of the electrode, used to connect to the host. This purple label marks the name of the electrode to facilitate the corresponding connection. This small bottle is used to protect the electrode probe and needs to be removed when using it. Next, we start to install the electrodes. Open the Kamoer Remote app, click to add a device, and select QIJIAN 3 WQS. After searching for this device through Bluetooth, click to enter the network configuration for the device. Select the Wi-Fi that can be connected, enter the password, and click Next. The connection is successful. Click Start, and click on the device. At this point, the device network configuration and binding have been completed. QIJIAN 3 requires electrode calibration before use. Regular calibration is also required during use to ensure the accuracy of electrode testing. Before calibration, prepare the calibration solution and RO water. The contaminated electrode needs to be cleaned with RO water before putting it into the calibration solution bottle. First, select pH on the mobile phone page. Select Settings. Click pH Calibration. Click Go to Calibrate. Click I'm ready. Click I see. Next, take out the pH electrode and temperature electrode from the C tank together. Put them in RO water and clean them. After cleaning, wipe the water on the dry surface with a paper towel. Take out the pH 6.86 calibration solution, open the bottle cap, and put the pH electrode and temperature electrode together. Put it inside. Stir it gently a few times to prevent air bubbles from forming on the electrode tip. Click Stand, and wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, click Calibrate, and the page shows that the pH 6.86 calibration is completed. Next, enter pH 9.18 calibration, and click Go to pH 9.18 calibration. According to the instructions on the page, first clean the electrode with RO water, dry it with paper, and prepare the pH 9.18 calibration solution. After opening it, put the pH electrode and temperature electrode in. Stir it slightly for a few times. Click Stand, and let it stand for 2 minutes. Click Calibrate, and the pH 9.18 calibration is completed. At this point, the pH electrode has been calibrated, and can continue to be placed in the C tank for use. Next, start the EC calibration. Click EC on the home page, then click Settings. Click EC Calibration, click Go to Calibrate, enter the standard solution value of 50,000, and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. After the input is completed, click Next. Click I'm ready. Click I see. Take out the EC electrode and temperature electrode from the C tank, and put them in RO water for cleaning. After cleaning, use a paper towel to wipe the water on the dry surface, and prepare the EC calibration solution. After opening, put the EC electrode and temperature electrode in. Stir it slightly for a few times. Click Stand. Let it stand for 2 minutes, and click Calibrate. EC calibration completed. Note here that our salinity is calculated based on the value of the EC electrode, so the salinity does not need to be calibrated. The temperature electrode also does not require calibration. It can be displayed in real time. Next, Start the ORP calibration. Click ORP on the home page. Then click Settings and select ORP calibration. Click Go to calibrate. Enter the standard solution value of 220 and the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Click Next. Click I am ready. Click I see. Take out the ORP electrode and temperature electrode from the C tank and put them in RO water for cleaning. After cleaning, use a paper towel to wipe the water on the dry surface and prepare the ORP calibration solution. After opening it, put the ORP electrode and temperature electrode in. Stir it slightly for a few times. Click Stand. Let it stand for 2 minutes. And click Calibrate. ORP calibration completed. This is a dissolved oxygen DO sensor. Generally, those of us who play in marine tanks may not need it, but those who play in breeding can choose it. In each electrode, click to enter, click Settings, turn on the Send Alerts, and set the threshold. Once the electrode value is abnormal, the app will push an alarm, which will make it more convenient for aquarists to observe the situation in the seawater tank. The threshold range of the seawater tank we give is as follows: pH 7.5 to 8.2, ORP 350 to 450 MV, AC 45,000 to 50,000 microsiemens per centimeter, salinity 1.021 to 1.025, DO 5 to 8 milligrams per liters.